My channel Sourav IS lecturer. My channel Sourav IS lecturer. Subject Indian polity. My channel Sourav IS lecturer. Like, subscribe more than viewer. Any people requested you. Class subject Indian polity. Class started your Attorney General counseling of minister. Started your classes so and for so in board. Counseling of minister. State counseling minister of the all state minister of the counseling of minister. All state minister of the counseling of minister. Other type minister, home minister is the other type of the minister. Decision of the central government of the decision of the counseling of minister. Relation between president counseling of minister. Article 74, Article 75, Article 78. Relationship between president counseling of minister. Relationship between president counseling of minister. Article 74, Article 75, Article 78. Mention of the PDF lower. Article 75. Clause 1. The Prime Minister shall be appointed by the President and other ministers shall be appointed by the President on the advice of the Prime Minister. Yes, Prime Minister advice of the other minister appoint of the President appointment power. Prime Minister advice. So and for Prime Minister advice of the President appointment at the clear. Number of ministers including the Prime Minister in the counseling of ministers shall not exceed 15% of the total number of member of the House of People. 15% House of counseling of minister, 15% House of the People, adding 91 amendment at 0.03 clause. Counseling of minister 50%. Article 75. The minister shall hold office during the pleasure the president. The counseling of minister shall be collectively responsible to the House of the People. The counseling of ministers shall be collectively responsible to the House of People. Yes, House of the People decision to counseling of minister. Counseling of minister as a House of People decision as the counseling of minister. Other counseling Bihar, other state counseling of minister as the House of People of the power decision. Article 75. Before a minister enter upon his office, the President shall administer to him the oath of office, the secrecy, according to the form set out for the purpose in the third schedule. Before minister enter upon his office, the President shall administration to him oath of his third schedule undertaking from set out purpose secrecy. Oath of remission, oath of office. I, do swear the name of God, solemnly affirm that I will bear true faith and allegiance. The Constitution of India by law established that I will uphold faithfully, discharge my duty as a minister for the Union, and that right to all manner, all people, accordance with the Constitution and the law, without fear, favor, affection, ill will. Oath affirmation. Schedule 3. Form of oath or affirmation. Minister, candidate, legislature, judge. As all appointment power of the president, minister, candidate, legislature, judge, as all schedule 3, oath, forum, affirmation, minister oath, candidate oath, legislature oath, judge oath, CAG appointment. All these appointment as oath candidate. Third schedule, Article 75 clause 95, 124 6 clause, 148 2 clause, 164 third clause, 188 to 99. Form oath and affirmation. Form oath office minister for the Union. And allegation the Constitution of India by law established will uphold the sovereignty integrity of India, that I will faithfully constitutionally discharge my duty a minister Union, that I will write to all manner people accordance Constitution and the law without fear affection. From oath secrecy Ministry of the Economy. Secrecy of the ministry and the oath indirectly communicate reveal person or other person. Minister of the Union except might be required the due recharge duty as such as a minister. Article 75. Minister who for period of 6 consecutive months is not member of either House of Parliament shall at the expiration of that period cease to be minister. Article 75. Minister for a period of 6 consecutive months is not member of either house. Article 75. Article 75. The salary and allowance minister shall be such as Parliament may from time to time by law determine, and until Parliament so determined shall be specific the second schedule. Second schedule is a mention salary and allowance. Parliament session time, law and policy is the second schedule mentioned. Article 78. Duty of Prime Minister are respect for the personing of information to the President. Yes. Citizen first of India, the first President, Prime Minister, the respect of the President, as it is other work is the President, Minister respected to President, inform to law and making process, inform. Portfolio system, Cabinet Minister. Shri Rajnath Singh, Ministry of Defence. Shri Nitin Jairam Gadkari, Ministry of Transport and Highway. Shri Narendra Singh Tomer, Ministry of Agriculture, Farmer Welfare. Shri Amit Shah, Home Ministry of Home Affairs, Ministry of Corporation. Smriti Nirmala Sitaraman, Ministry of Finance, Ministry of Corporation Affairs. Dr. Subramaniam Jaishankar, Ministry of External Affairs. Shri Mufti Armini Smriti Jawani Iran, Ministry of Human and Child Development. Shri Arjun Munda, Ministry of Tribal Affairs. As it is Cabinet Minister as a all name. Portfolio System, Minister of State Independent Charge. Shri Rao Inderjit Singh, Ministry of Statistics and Program Implementation, Ministry of Planning. Dr. Jitendra, Ministry of Science Tech, Ministry of Earth and Science. Ministry System, Portfolio System, Ministry of State. Sripad Yasho Naik, Ministry of Port, Shipping and Waterways, Ministry of Tourism. Sri Prahlad Singh Patel, Ministry of Jal Shakti, Ministry of Food Processing Industry. Sri Arjuna Mehwal, Ministry of Parliamentary Affairs, Ministry of Culture. Sri Fagne Singh Kulseti, Ministry of Rural Development. Sri Ashwani Kumar Chobe, Ministry of Consumer Affairs, Food, Public Distribution, Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change. General Retired V.K. Singh, Ministry of Road Transport Highway, Ministry of Civil Aviation. These portfolio system is a Minister of State. Function of Cabinet. Supreme Executive Authority, yes. Principal Policy Making Body, yes. Coordinating Body, yes. Preparation Enactment Executive Son of Budget. Senior level appointment, yes, yes. Crisis Management, yes. Provide CEO to principal organ of government, yes. Provide to CEO to principal organ of government. Cabinet Committee. Government of India Transaction of Business Rule 1961. Cabinet Committee mention of the Article Business Rule Act 1961. Future. Extra constitutional. Two-time extending parliament and temporary. Nomenclature. Number of CC depend on Prime Minister. Permanent Cabinet Committee. Appointment Committee of the Cabinet CM PM. Cabinet Committee on Accommodation CM HM. Cabinet Committee Economics CM PM. Cabinet Committee on Parliamentary Affairs CM Ministry of Department. Cabinet Committee of Political Affairs CM PM. Cabinet Committee of Security CM PM. Cabinet Committee on Investment and Growth CM PM. Cabinet Committee on Employment and Skill Development CM or PM. CM or PM. Attorney General. Article 76. Appointment by President. Qualification same as a judge. Tenure not a mention. Removed by the President. Article 76 the mention as a four type. Appointment by the President. Qualification same as CG judge. Tenure not mention. Removed by President. As a power of the removed by President. Article 88. Right of Minister and Attorney General as a respect of House. Every Minister and the Attorney General of India shall have the right to speak in and otherwise to take part in the proceeding of other House, any joint sitting of the House and any committee of Parliament of which they might be named a member, but shall not by virtue of this article entitled to vote. Respective Attorney General, every minister right to speak, otherwise take part in the proceeding. Article 88 mention. Function. To give advice to Government of India upon such legal matter which are referred to him by the President, to perform such other duties, legal character that are assigned to him, President, to appear on behalf of the Government of the India in all cases in the Supreme Court in which the Government of India concerned. Function. To give advice Government of India upon such legal matter. Referred to appear any High Court any case which Government of India as a issue of the government issue is a Solicitor General, Attorney General is the government case dispatched to High Court, Advocate General, state level, central level, Attorney General, a government case, the Advocate General, Government Advocate, question by question, case, question by ask him to quote, question to Advocate General, state case, central case, Attorney General, central government appoint, Attorney General, central case, higher, central government wakil, lawyer, Solicitor General of the India, Additional Solicitor General of India assist the AG in the fulfillment of his official responsibility, power under contempt of court. Limitation, he should not advise or hold belief against the government of India. Limitation, he should not advise belief against the, he should not defend accused person in criminal persecution without the permission of the government of India. Persecution, accused person no in criminal without the permission of the government of India. The AG, Attorney General, not derived from private legal practice. AG is not derived, not permission private legal practice as the AG, Attorney General. Consider the following statement. Prelims 2022. Attorney General of India, Solicitor General of India are the only officer of the government who are allowed to participate in the meeting of the Parliament of India. According to Constitution of India, Attorney General of India submitted resignation when the government which appointment him resigned. Attorney General of India, Solicitor General of India are the only officer of the government who are allowed to participate in the meeting of the Parliament of India. Yes, correct. According to the Constitution of India, Attorney General in India submitted resignation when the government which appoint him resigned. Resignation when the government which appoint submitted his resignation when the government which appoint him resignation. Yes. C. Correct answer both 1 and 2. Consider the following statement. Attorney General of India can take part in the proceeding of the Lok Sabha, be a member of committee of the Lok Sabha, speak in the Lok Sabha, vote in the Lok Sabha. 3. Correct answer 1. Correct answer. Answer is the D. Answer is the D. Correct option 1 and 3. Attorney General of India, important article, important case. Attorney General of India as a court is a case, important article, important case as the question him judge. ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा मेरा चैनल को लाइक और सब्सक्राइब करें, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लाइक और सब्सक्राइब करते रहें मेरे चैनल को। इसके लिए मैं आपका स्वीकार अभिनंदन करता हूँ। गुड डे, बाय बाय।